I had intended on this video explaining all the Hey guys. So a quick little upload to fill you guys in on an upcoming project. Recently I found a 2000 Jeep Wrangler in my neighbor's backyard. Now let me know, do you want to see a restoration series on this Jeep? I had intended on this video explaining all the little bits of information about this Jeep, but my recording corrupted, so video on that soon. Be sure to subscribe, like, and smash the hell out that bell so you don't miss it. See you guys soon.